Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Method. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook ID permanently step by step. It is super simple. Watch till the end and do not forget like, share and subscribe for more Facebook tips. First of all, you open the Facebook app and then here you click the side three line option. Here you click the settings and privacy option. Then click the settings option. Here you can see the personal details option, so click on it. Then here you can see the personal details option again, so click on it. Here you click the account ownership and control option. Then here you click the deactivation or deletion option. Here you click the your Facebook ID. Then click the delete account option. Click continue option and again click the continue option. Here you select the reason. I select the second number. Then click the continue option. Here you click again the continue option. Then here you click the continue option. After click it, here you enter your Facebook ID password. Then click the continue option and again you click the delete account option. So this is the method. Please like, subscribe for more videos.